Usually equation means, like we know quadratic equation, which involves variable ax square plus bx plus c, that is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Likewise, we may solve linear equations. Likewise, many algebraic equations we have solved. The trigonometric equation means, instead of variables, you see, like ax square plus bx plus c, like I am having an equation, quadratic equation. Okay. Here, what are all the variables? Don't say a, b, c. X is the variable. This a, b, c are constants. Okay. So instead of this x, we'll be having trigonometric ratios. Sin x we may have, cos x we may have, tan x we may have, likewise. So those type of equations are called as trigonometric equations. Got it? Whereas variables are trigonometric ratios. And see, solution of this equation is what? Solution of this equation, we may say x equals minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, this is the solution of the equation. So that like we can find the solution, there will be one solution only will come. But for this trigonometric equation, we have basically three types of solution. We have how many types of solution? Three types of solution. So for trigonometric equation, we have three types of solution, one of which is particular solution, and the second one is principal solution, and third one is general solution. Particular means what? See, particular means specific. Particularly, specific value will be the solution. A specific value of a specific value which satisfies this equation. Is called as particular solution. Principal solution means principal solution means when your school principal is solving this equation, solution given by your principal is principal solution. Principal means like the major thing, what we have to concern about, what we have major concern, that is called principal. Principal in the sense like it's a main thing, right? Likewise. So the smallest value which satisfies the given equation. Okay, what's are you telling? It's it has to be concerned, like it's important, right? But you say smallest. See where it begins, the origin. That's very important. Okay, that like, for example, you say sin theta equals some value like k we may get. What are all the possible values of k? The maximum value of sin is, it starts from -1 to +1. It may be. Yes, man, sin theta equals from -1 to 1 only, it will vary. Also, when you observe the sine graph, have you observed the sine graph? Remember, previous class I told you. 0 pi, this is 2 pi. Yes man, starts with 0. Here pi by 2, it goes to the point 1, it touches the point 1. When it is 3 pi by 2, it touches minus 1. Remember previous class I told. Here also it goes. So this is minus pi. Okay. Now what value is main concern? The origin interval. Okay. See, from minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 means this one. Plus 1 means this one. Like a margin. So here it is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. When k varies between minus 1 and 1, our theta will vary between minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. So this interval is the principal solution. Got it? Again, some other interval also, this k will reach plus 1 and minus 1. Oh, sorry, here. Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 also it will reach. But we are not taking that one. Though many intervals are available, we took only the principal interval, principal solution. Okay. So this type of solution is called as principal solution. Guess what? For cos x, cos theta, what could be the principal solution? It is, that is k belongs to minus 1 to plus 1 man. By using cos graph only we can define. Okay. For cos theta, the principal solution is that theta belongs to 0 to pi. No, 0 to pi. Cos graph is different. It won't start with 0. It starts with 1. Like it will come. Okay. And for tan theta, the theta will belong to the same interval, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, but both pi by 2 is not included. Why? Because tan theta is not defined when theta equals pi by 2. That is why. Got it? So this is about principal solution. I'll tell you once again, you see. This concept you understood, right? What is trigonometric equation? So we may get three types of solution. First one is specific solution. For example, you have sin theta equals 1 by 2. Sin theta equals 1 by 2. Then if you say theta is equals 30 degree, that is particular solution. Okay. For the same, if you say theta equals pi by 6, both are literally same, that is the principal value of getting it. Okay. Also general solution is there. General solution means it's a complete set of all solutions. It includes principal, particular solution, everything. It includes complete set, which means that will contain an unknown called n. Like here it appears once. Like if you substitute 2 means you will get result in this interval. That like you may get. In short I am telling for better understanding. Okay. So that is called general solution. Clear? Any doubts in this particular solution and principal solution? Now let us discuss the difference between particular solution and principal solution to get you understand better. The initial example I gave is sin theta equals 1 by 2. For what are all the values, this sin theta is 1 by 2. You see, sin theta equals 1 by 2. For theta equals 30 degree also we get 1 by 2. What about 150 degree? For that also we will get 1 by 2. Is it or not? 90 degree, sorry, 150 degree is what? It is sin 180 degree minus 30 degree. 180 minus means 180 minus means that is second quadrant. Also 180 means there is no change. Okay. See, we have again sin 30 degree, that is 1 by 2 again. So we have two solutions. Okay. Both are solutions of this equation. Now, which is particular solution, which is principal solution? Among these two, which lies between the interval minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2, which means below 90 degree, which lies minus 90 degree and plus 90 degree likewise. So this is our principal solution. Okay, this is principal solution and this one is particular solution. Okay, got it? So we can say all the principal solutions are particular solutions, but not all the particular solutions are principal solutions. Got it? And next, we'll move on to the general solution. You got it? You understood or not? General solution means a complete set of all solutions. A complete set of all solution is called as general solution. There comes some general formats. For that, we have to work for general solution, but I'll give you those as your formulas. Okay. See, the first set is like if we have sin theta equals sin alpha. Sin theta equals sin alpha. Likewise, if you are having means the general solution is n pi plus minus 1 power n alpha. Theta equals. That is the general solution. Okay. Likewise, if you have cos theta equals cos alpha, then our theta equals 2n pi plus or minus alpha. 2n pi plus or minus alpha. And we have tan theta equals tan alpha. Then it is theta equals n pi plus alpha. So these are all of first type. See, this includes everything. You say previously I said sin n pi equals 0. Remember? Sin n pi equals 0 I said. Likewise, these are all the general solution. Using that we can find where this n is a integer. Integer means what? From minus infinity to plus infinity. Everything, a complete set. Okay. Here also n is a integer. The other set of solution is sin theta equals minus sin alpha. Then our general solution is theta equals n pi plus minus 1 power n minus alpha. What difference you find from that to this? Only minus, so we include minus alpha. This also we can consider like sin of minus theta is how much? Minus sin theta, right? So in place of alpha, minus alpha replaced. That is it. Okay. Likewise, cos theta equals minus cos alpha, then theta equals 2n pi plus pi minus alpha. 2n pi plus pi minus alpha. That is plus or minus, I guess. Yes, plus or minus. Sorry. So plus or minus pi minus alpha. Okay. This also we can solve easily. This minus cos alpha we can write it as what? Remember, using allied angles. Cos of pi minus alpha we can write. Remember. So again, using the general solution of that, we may use like this, derived from that one only. Likewise, tan theta equals minus tan alpha, then theta equals n pi plus minus alpha. That is it. Where n is a integer everywhere. The third type, we have sin square theta equals sin square alpha. Yes, sin square theta equals sin square alpha. Then the solution for that is n pi plus alpha, where n is integer, and cos square theta equals cos square alpha. Then theta equals same n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to integers. Guess what? Tan square theta equals tan square alpha. Same. Theta is n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to integer. Okay. Oh, sorry. This is plus or minus again. Maybe. Sorry. So it is n pi plus or minus alpha. If you know all these three set means whatever the question is given, you can easily solve. See, for example, let us take something. I will give you an example. You see, sin theta equals 1, like we have one answer. For this, you need to find the general solution. Okay. So, 1 is equals how much? Sin pi by 2, right? Sin 90 degree is 1, remember? Now, this is in the form of what form? Sin theta equals sin alpha. So, our general solution is theta equals n pi plus or minus 1 power n alpha. What is alpha here? Pi by 2. That is all. If you replace 0, you will get the principal solution. Remember, principal interval I said minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. If you replace n is equals 0, what you will get is principal solution. Now you will get a clear picture, I think. General solution is complete set of all the solutions. If you replace n as 0 in the general solution, you will get principal solution. Except 0, whatever value n gets, those are particular solutions. Got it?